WetFinder, rapid analysis for construction, renovation, and damage assessment. Simply calibrate and start measuring. The WetFinder efficiently locates areas with the most severe moisture damage. This gives users a fast overview of the extent and seriousness of the damage, ideal for precise on-site assessment. Sustainably manufactured, the housing is made from recycled plastic and, with its rubberized surface, offers exceptional durability. Using the capacitive measuring principle, the WetFinder operates completely non-destructively. An automatic hold function ensures the last measured value remains clearly displayed. The WetFinder by LaserLiner. Precise, fast, and sustainable. Your reliable partner for assessing moisture damage.